Hi, my name is Sergio, and today I'm going to show you how to import virtual machines and also media files into VLP. Currently, we are in our admin UI. This is the default dashboard, and the first thing that we need to do is to open the menu that we have right here, and then select the advanced options. Then lab management, and finally log builder. Now, here we have different templates. This is just one of the clouds that I have. In this case, I'm going to be working on this other cloud that is pretty clean, pretty much empty. Let's select these three ellipses right here. Upload VMs and ISOs. Now you need to choose one of the catalogs that you have available. In my case, I only have two. You may have more than one or just one. I'm going to be using the default catalog this time. Now let's select the attached file. Let's look for the files that I want to import. This is a virtual machine in OBF format, as you can see. And now let's attach another one. This one is going to be an ISO that contains the Ubuntu operating system. Now I'm ready, so let's just hit the upload button right here. So it is uploading, as you can see. These virtual machines and the ISO are pretty small, so this is gonna be pretty fast. And I also have a pretty decent network connection using fiber, so it's gonna be really quick, right? But this also will depend, in your case, based on your network connection and also on the size of the files that you are uploading and the amount of files that you are also uploading into the system, right? So as you can see from this screenshot, we have the option to import OBF, OBA, and ISO, which are the most common ones, right? But we have different files that we support. Now, what is happening right now in this case, well, it just finished. As you can see, the status message is success. So let's just clear the file list and close. So there's nothing right here, right? So where is our files? So what is happening is that the system is importing the files into our storage device, and then the system will transfer the files from the storage device to our backend cloud. So if you want to look or check the progress, you need to go to the dashboard right here. Then let's open the default dashboard and let's take a look to the widgets that we have. So we have this widget, manage unresolved template medias. As you can see, I have two templates, one that already failed. I tried to import that one in October 4, as you can see from the date. That one failed. And the other one that I'm importing right now, the status says description pending. Sometimes you will see something like copying pending, meaning that the files or the virtual machine are still being imported. So that's how you look on the progress of your imports, right? Also, there is a second widget that you can use, this one right here, the manage upload. You will see the ones that are ready for you. As you can see, the status, it says ready for import. These are the two files that we just imported into our system, right? Now, for the ISOs, it's really important to know that you will see the information right here under Cloud Management, Cloud Media. You will see the ISO file right here. It is not present right now, and that's because, and that's the meaning of this message right here, ready for import. So what does that mean? That means that you need to go to Clouds, select the cloud that you are working on. I'm working on this one in WDC. Select the ellipsis and then do a full resync vApp template. This one is really important. If you don't do that, then the system will try every hour to do the synchronization by itself. But if you want the VMs to be available right away, then you need to do the synchronization manually, right? So now we should be able to see the media right here. So there you go, that's the ISO. And then if we go back to lab management and then lab builder, we should be able to see the virtual machine. So there you go. That's the awesome VM that we just imported. Something really important to notice from here is that the template is in publish state. So you already know that that means that the template is ready to be used. So you are ready to use this to create a lab or to create a class, right? So that means that you cannot edit or make any changes to this template. So if you want to do some additional changes, what you need to do is to create a draft by using this option or by cloning the template. That way you will get a draft version of the virtual machine. Then you can just, let me just create one. Then you can just edit the draft or the clone, make all the necessary changes, and then save the changes there, right? So if you are working with a draft, which is what we are doing right now, you will have the option to make the changes and then apply the changes to this template that is already published. So that way you don't have to create a copy. If you use the clone option, what it does is to create a copy. So you will end up with two different VMs or two different templates, right? So in that case, you can just name or rename the clone to something like Awesome VM version 2 or something like that. So the draft has been created successfully, as you can see. Let's just close this message and let's just open the draft by using this option, then the ellipsis right here, and edit. So as you can see, I have the virtual machine right here. Let's just select that one and let's mount the ISO file, right? Add. And there we go. This is inserting the media file. So it's going to be ready. So if I power up this virtual machine by clicking right here or by clicking this icon right here, this system, you will have to enter into boot mode, right? So in order to get the ISO file to boot up, and then you just need to follow the installation as you will normally do on your computer or systems, right? I'm not gonna be doing that right now, but once you are done with all the changes, you can just select the update option. I'm gonna just cancel this one. And then when you are ready to publish the draft version, what you need to do is go to view draft, the ellipsis right here, and apply. So it will apply the changes to this draft version of the template to our publish template, and that's it. The template is going to be ready for you to use. So if you have any doubts, any concerns, or any questions, you can also use our pro documentation as well. Here you will see the upload VMs, vApps, or ISO process. It is well documented, so all the information is there. Is pretty much the same information that we just covered. And also, if you need any help, you can just reach out to us through our support channels. All right. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.